In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a password to log into Windows 11 step by step, really simple for beginners. So you'll start by clicking here on the Windows icon. Go ahead and click it. Now go to the settings option, click on settings, and this menu will open up. To get to this menu, you can also do the following. You can press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time, and it will also open, okay? On this page, you'll click on accounts, so you can set a password in Windows 11. Now scroll down a bit here. Notice that here you already have the sign in option. Click on it. There are a few options here. We're going to click on the password option, okay? You click, and in this case, there isn't a password set, so I'm going to add one. So you click here to add. Here you'll enter your password, repeat it again, and here you'll put a password hint, okay, so you can remember it. I'm going to type mine. Done, I typed it in. Once you're done, you can click on next. It will show your account and let you know that next time you'll use this password you're setting up. Just click here to finish. There you go. I just set a password here on Windows 11, guys. Now let's test it out. To test it, I'm going to lock the screen here. All you have to do is press the Windows key and the letter L on your keyboard. Press them at the same time. As you can see, it's already locked and it goes straight to the password screen. So I'm going to type the password I set, press enter, and that's it, I'm in. So that's how you set a password on Windows 11, step by step. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.